Hey guys, so today I'm using my Futsubishi. Yeah, it's nice so that I can also enjoy the views. Yeah, guys, so nice views. Yeah, so Futsubishi it is for today, guys. Yeah, so guys, that's how you usually spot the elephants, and it's like I don't know where they went, guys. Yeah, they are no longer there, but I think they'll come back, guys. Yeah, so yeah, let's continue, guys. So guys, the view is getting closer, guys. Yeah, and it looks really nice in person. Like if you were to build a house somewhere here up, it would look so nice, like a story house. It would look so nice, guys. The view. Oh, the view looks so nice, guys. So nice. In person, I don't know whether on the phone it looks nice, but in person it looks so nice. And there is also a cool breeze, guys. Yeah, Nchiru Hill getting closer. Yeah, so I finally got there, guys, and still the view looks so nice. Like I've never been on top of Nchiru Hill. Now I'm thinking about it, guys. I must go on top of that Nchiru Hill. Yeah, guys. I think the view from up there would also be so nice. Yeah, I must make sure I visit it one day, one of these days. Yeah, but I'm finally there, guys. Yeah, so my Futsubishi still very reliable. Yeah, this is the most reliable means of transport. Yeah. Guys, I just realized one thing. So okay, for me, from my place to school, it takes me about 1 hour 15 minutes from my place to school. That is if I'm walking. Yeah, but if I'm using a car, it's usually like 10 minutes, and that's in Chiru Hill, guys. No, if I'm using a car, it doesn't even reach 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, guys. So I'm a slow walker.